Hi everybody! If you're trying to find your Wise account number, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through every step you need to take to check your Wise account number. It's quick, easy, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to look. Also, if you don't have a Wise account yet, you can sign up for free using the link in the description below. That link might also give you an exclusive offer for a free money transfer through Wise. Now, let's get started. First, log in to your Wise account. After logging in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. From here, look for the section called Balances. This is where Wise shows all the currencies you have added to your account. Choose the currency you want to check the account number for. For example, if you want to find your account number for GBP, EUR, USD, or any other currency, click on that specific currency from your list of balances. If you haven't added the currency yet, you need to do that first. Just click Open a Balance or Add next to the currency you want. Wise might ask you to complete a few steps before activating that currency. Follow the prompts until your balance for that currency is set up. Once the balance is active, click on it. You'll see a screen that shows your available funds in that currency. Near the top or bottom of the page, you'll find an option that says something like Account Details or Get Account Details. Click that. Wise will now show you your account number and other important details like sort code, IBAN, SWIFT code, or routing number depending on the currency. For example, for GBP, you'll see a sort code and account number. For EUR, you'll see an IBAN and BIC. For USD, you might see a routing number and account number. These are your account details. You can use them to receive payments from others, just like you would with a regular bank account. And that's it. Now you know exactly how to check your Wise account number. If you haven't created your Wise account yet, use the link in the description to sign up for free. That link might also give you access to a special offer for a free money transfer.